Jai Sriman Because of that grief, his heart is heavy. He is breathing heavily. His mind is restless. He was unable to sleep. By then, again somehow Guha came back and noticed and observed how much of worry, grief, suffering, pain this Bharata is going through. Guha could understand. Guha came back and started talking about Rama with Bharata in order to console Bharata, in order to pacify Bharata, in order to give him some kind of good time to Bharata. He is also Guha sharing all the story when Sita Rama Lakshmana came to Sringiberapuram. Now Guha is sharing everything to Bharata and how Lakshmana is also taking care of Rama. Now Guha is sharing all those things to Bharata. Guha is trying to console, pacify Bharata. Guha is mentioning about Lakshmana, how much he is attending the services of Rama. Lakshmana always carries tam jagratam gunair-yuktam sarachapa dharanam. Always carries his dhanurbanas, sword, and always in very alert in taking care of Rama. Oh Bharata, then what did I say to Lakshmana? I asked Lakshmana, I arranged some bedding for you. Go ahead and take rest, Lakshmana. I shall take care of Rama. Being awake all over the night and being in this forest and not having food, all these troubles are very common for us, Lakshmana. Whereas you have born in palace, you were raised in between, in the middle of so many pleasures and comforts. You do not know all these things. That is why you go ahead and take rest and sleep well. I shall take care of Rama. Oh Bharata, I also told like this to Lakshmana that Nahi Ramat Priyataro Mamasti Bhuvi Kaschana. There is no one who is the most beloved to me than Rama on this earth. That is what I told Lakshmana. Oh Lakshmana, I like Rama the most. And also please do not doubt me at all. I shall take care of Rama. Only with Rama's blessings, Rama's anugraham, I would like to gain my fame. Only with Rama's anugraham, I would like to gain my Purushartha Prapti. Only with Rama's blessings, I would like to gain my moksham. Oh Lakshmana, to that extent, I worship Rama, I like Rama. That is why I am going to have all my people associated with me, and every one of us will carry dhanurbanas and will take care of, will secure, will protect my Sita Ramachandra Swami. Oh Lakshmana, you go ahead and sleep well. That is what I told Lakshmana. And then Lakshmana says to me, Bharata, like this. Ho Guha, katham dasarathau bhumau sayane sahasitaya. Guha, Dasaratha Rama, my Ramachandra, is sleeping along with Sitamma on this bare floor, Guha. Even after seeing that, I am unable to bear my pranas. I am still alive. How did you expect me to go sleep well with seeing all this, Guha? How can you even expect me to take rest after seeing all this, Guha? Oh Guha, do you know who is Rama? Devasuras, all the devatas, asuras at once, even if they attack my Rama at once without even giving any notice. Yet, Yona Devasuraihi, Sarvaihi, Sekyaha, prasahitum yudhi. They cannot stand in front of my Rama. They will have to run away from my Rama. To that extent, my Rama is very strong and great warrior, great soldier, great valor my Rama has, Guha. Such Rama is now sleeping on the bare floor along with Sitamma. I am unable to take it, Guha. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.